5 steps of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, test, prototype. Empathize means research what dogs need and their problem. Dogs get heat stroke in summer, get wet in rainy season, get infected from their waste water enters their shelter due to heavy rain. Define means state the dog's need and their problem. Dogs need shelter which is waterproof, well ventilated, bacterial resistant, easily movable. Ideate. Challenge assumptions and create ideas. I took different ideas from nature to design a shelter for stray dogs, like termite mound, lotus leaf, shark skin, sheets of sticky grass, log of the wood. For ventilation, I took termite mound design because it is covered with tiny holes that allow air to pass through freely. For waterproof and self-cleaning, I took lotus leaf design for the covering of the shelter because rainwater rolls upon them and passes away the dirt because they have bumps. I took shark skin design to create bacterial resistant plastic surface because it is covered with tiny teeth called dermal tentacles. For moving from one place to another, wheels are inspired by rolling tree trunks. For fastening indoor, Velcro tip design is inspired by sheets of sticky grass because they have tiny hooks for clinging to the fur. Thank you.